Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the language on Yahoo Mail using Google Chrome on your computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser and navigate to yahoo.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Yahoo account if you haven't already. Simply enter your credentials to access your mailbox. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. This is where you can access all your Yahoo account settings and preferences. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Account Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive settings page where you can manage different aspects of your Yahoo account. This section is essential for customizing your Yahoo experience according to your preferences. Once you're on the Account Settings page, locate and click on Personal Settings. This option gives you access to more specific customization features for your account, including language preferences, time zones, and other personal details that affect how Yahoo displays information to you. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu with several options. Click on Preferences. This section allows you to adjust various settings that control how Yahoo Mail looks and functions for you, making it easier to personalize your email experience. Within the Preferences section, you'll find an option labeled Language Preference. Click on it to access the Language Selection tool. This is the specific setting that controls which language Yahoo Mail will use for its interface, menus, and system messages. Once you click on Language Preference, a drop-down menu will appear displaying all available language options. Take a moment to browse through the list and select the language you want Yahoo Mail to display. The drop-down includes numerous languages, so you can choose the one that works best for you. After selecting your preferred language from the drop-down, click the Done button to confirm your choice. Yahoo Mail will immediately apply this change, and you should see the interface switch to your selected language. The entire platform, including buttons, menus, and notifications, will now display in the language you chose. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on Yahoo Mail in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.